they block all the roads that bring me here. But I'm finally here. And today we are supposed to go to the city. And from here we are going to the city. Listen. People power. Power. Listen, the people of Onuparaka. We are not doing anything wrong. Everything we are doing is in the law. We are supposed to campaign in Arua district. And after Arua district, we are supposed to go to the city. But now the police has blocked all the roads. If the police block the road, we shall walk. If the police block the road, we shall walk. Moving time.
Abana b'Orubaraka we batwe barabise mu bungi. Chiri emabega ate kino kyekiri mu maaso. Tuli mu Arua district, tetunagenda mu Arua city. President agambye kaberubaale kabe Katonda bwe baba nga ssemateeka akakiiko k'ebyokulonda kamugamba beera mu Arua alina okugenda ku venue esembayo. Poliisi egaddewo eriyingira mu Arua city erigenda mu kibuga. Kabangaliza gaddewo dda erigenda mu kibuga. Ebimotoka by'amagye poliisi bigaddewo bimugamba teweeyongerayo. Baagala era muyisa mu kyalo. Olwedde yatambudde dda ekyalo ku kyalo, naye agamba ku mulundi guno nina kuyita wano genda mu kibuga. Bano abaana ba Arua manyi dengera abantu be baziba ogenda. Obwo bwonna bujja bwe bubatabanya. Nkugambye poliisi n'ekimotoka ekikuba amazzi yakitunuzza dda eno. DPC bagezaako okwagala okwogera naye yabagondedde dda. Obedde enguudo muzisibye, obedde enguudo muzisibye, naye ku luno agamba obudde buyise. Musajja wattu agezaako alinayitwe ayagala kwogera ne President amugambe munnange eno toyitayo twazibyeyo. Abasirikale bagezaako okwogera naye.
Orichia. me. The good people of Onduparaka, thank you very much for the support. Thank you very much for the discipline. Thank you very much for being disciplined. Now listen to me. It has taken me 4 hours. I have taken 4 hours to travel from Nebi to Onduparaka. I was blocked from all the main roads. I am a presidential candidate. I am supposed to campaign in Arua district and in Arua city. But the police has been blocking all the roads. Mr. Arinoitwe, you are an officer of the law. Please open the road, let me go and campaign. Power. The good people of Onduparaka. I am here asking Afande Arinoitwe to open the road and I go on the campaign. According to the program of the Electoral Commission, I'm supposed to campaign here and in Arua city. But I have taken 4 hours to travel from Nebi to Arua because they closed all the roads. Now we are in Onduparaka. I have already greeted you. I've already asked you for your vote. I am called Chagulanyi Sentamu Robert. But when I am in Western, when I'm here, my name is Obini. So I am asking the police officer to open for us so that we can go and campaign. If they do not open for us, we are going to walk and reach town. We are not taking anymore. Thank you very much.
President tobesiga bo tobesiga tebabanga ko ba mazima tobesiga bakulimba tobesiga tebabanga ko ba mazima. Abagambye mbiganye byokumbula okenga ngenda kutambulawo. Agambye ngenda kutambulawo. Abikoye byo mujoga Arua bagitya bamanyi muliro.